Here are some reasons for you to be able it makes good sense. It makes good sense to refinance. So number one is when you need better loan tools. So sometimes your current bank doesn't offer the loan products, that works best for your situation. A good example is offset accounts. You might want to use an offset loan because you like a bank account bucket system, managing your money with multiple bank accounts, and you have money sitting there. So you can use your savings and any cash you have in those accounts and offset against your mortgage. If your bank doesn't have that, then you might want to consider refinancing. There's only 3 banks currently while I'm recording this video that has offset loans, and that is BNZ, Westpac, and Kiwi Bank. And so if you're at any of the other banks and you think an offset might be best used for your situation, then you might want to go ahead and refinance to those banks to give you a better option for structure and may help your money work better for you and pay down that mortgage so much faster. The second reason that refinancing makes good sense is when you want to implement a faster mortgage strategy, paying your mortgage off decades early. So refinancing can help you to implement that mortgage debt reduction strategy. For example, being able to use revolving credits, offset accounts, splitting up, so hedging, splitting up your mortgage into multiple loans. These tools allow you to be able to have your everyday cash flow strategy, how you manage your money to help you to reduce your interest faster. And when the structure is right, then your mortgage can disappear, like I said, decades early. The third reason why you might want to refinance, and it makes really good sense, is when maybe you're moving from a second tier lender. Many of you maybe got a mortgage because you wanted to be able to buy property, either your family home or a rental property. And the way to get there at that time was to go to a second tier lender, which means it's not one of the main banks and their interest rates are a little bit higher. And so once your LVR, which means the amount of your mortgage has gone down, the value of your home has gone up, and now maybe you're at a good position to where you can refinance to a main bank for a lower interest rate. So that's a really good reason to be able to do that. The fourth reason that you might want to refinance, and it really makes good sense, is when your mortgage structure needs updating, right? So your financial life might change. You might have had a structure years ago that worked well for you then, but your life might have changed.